Over the past few months, the Muslim community has gone through a lot, through so much pain and so much suffering. But I want to share with you something good that has stemmed from all of this. We all know from the Quran that after hardship comes ease, and that sometimes we think something is bad, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stems something good from it. Wallahi, brothers and sisters, we have never seen this many non-Muslims rushing to the Quran. With everything on since October 23 and all the media that we've been getting, we have received more orders than what we usually do in Ramadan, and that's our busiest season. It's overwhelming, but it's amazing. Hundreds of non-Muslims ordering the Quran for themselves every single month since October, and many of them have been inspired by the unshakable faith of our heroes in Gaza. In November last year, we thought, you know what, let's start calling these non-Muslims who are ordering a Quran, just to say hi, how are you, did you receive the book, and do you have any questions? Within the first week, 15 people accepted Islam over the phone. Since then, almost 100 new Muslims who took their Shahadah with our team just over a phone call from all over the country. Actually, we even had a brother from Paris. From these people, we've had those who've said, I've been wanting to become a Muslim, but I don't know how. Others telling us that they've been praying for the past 12 to 24 months, but haven't accepted Islam yet. One brother said, I want to become a Muslim, but I've got some bad habits. And others, actually quite a few of them, always quoted the resilience of the people in Gaza. People are amazed how you could go through so much and yet at the end of the day, still say Alhamdulillah. The reality is that there is an appetite for Islam in the world today, and it's enormous. All we need to do is put out our hand to invite and to support. Alhamdulillah, at Project Quran, we're going to keep making those phone calls, calling people and asking them if they'd like to know anything about Islam and inviting them to join our beautiful religion. You're going to ask me what happens with the new Muslims after the Shahadah. Alhamdulillah, we follow up with weekly phone calls and help direct them to social groups and classes within their locality. So yes, our hearts are being torn apart by the videos of children, women and men that's been circulating around that I've seen and I'm sure you've seen too. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed these people. He's allowed them to be the catalyst for good. The reason why many people have started learning about and accepting Islam are those heroes.